Hi friends, welcome to another video. Today I am going to show you how to download and install Winrar, the unzipping and raring app which is must-have application in every computer. For this, first we have to open our browser. Now search for Winrar for Windows 10 download and hit enter. This is the official website for downloading the Winrar. I will leave a link in the description so that you can directly download from there. Now click over here, download WinRAR. If you want the 32-bit version, you can click down over here to download it from this website. Now hit on this download WinRAR button. These are the steps that to be followed to install the WinRAR. The download has been started. Once the download is completed, open the file and click on this S button. Now read these terms and conditions. If you agree with this, hit on this install button. These are the formats which are supported by the WinRAR. You can also check this JAR and ISO formats which are mostly not needed. So I am leaving this to default. Check this add WinRAR to desktop and cascade context menus. This will help you a lot in the future. Click on OK. That's it. WinRAR has been successfully installed on your PC. There is no need for the activation of the WinRAR as it will continue to work after the trial period also. If you love the app and want to appreciate the developer, you can donate to the developer. Thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this. Like, share, comment below and don't forget to subscribe our channel.